Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be going over how to find the area of a circle. We're going to be doing it with the radius. The equation for the area of a circle is A is for the area, is pi r squared. So again, A is the area, so the entire area of the circle, almost like if you're finding the area of a square or other shapes. Pi is a special number, and it's approximately 3.14. You say it like pi. You spell it pi, and this is how you actually draw it here. It almost looks like a side view of a table or something. And then r is for the radius, and you are squaring that radius. So let's say the radius is 5. When you do r squared, 5 squared, it's like 5 times 5. You're going to end up with 25 here. Okay, so in this example, the radius is 8. And it doesn't matter 8 what, and a radius can be in meters or in inches. A radius could be in miles or in kilometers. Same with diameter. And then the area is going to be the square of that. So square meters or square inches, whatever the case is for the units. Here we're just not giving units. All right. So if the radius is 8, what's the area going to be? Well, we can write out the equation. A is pi times r squared, so in this case it's 8, so I'll just put it in a parenthesis there and square that. Alright, so now the area is, and what's this going to be, 64? We can call it 64 pi. Generally we'll put the number before pi when we rewrite it. I don't know why we say pi r squared, but then we write it this way. It's just a customary way to do it. So this is the kind of exact answer. And if you are going to type it into our system, if you're here because you're using our math practice tool, you'd be saying 64 times, and this is like Shift 8 to hit that key, and then it's pi, and preferably in capital letters like that, but I don't think it really matters. But then the other way that you can calculate this is an approximate value, because again, pi is approximately 3.14. And so if you take this 64 pi, 64 times 3.14, I'm just doing it on a calculator quick. What we end up with, 64 times, I'll do it that way, 3.14 is getting us, now this is not an exact answer because pi has many digits, but we get 200.96. And so that's it. And then let's say that this was in meters. Then this would be meters squared, for example. So yeah, this is how you find the area of a circle. A is for the area. Pi is this special number, 3.14. It keeps going. I think the next three are like 159. R is the radius. You square that. The radius is half the diameter. That's an important thing to know if you're answering these, and you just plug it out. So 8, well, you're squaring the 8, so you get the 64, so the exact answer is 64 pi. If you're typing it into our system, it's going to look like this, 64 times pi. If you're getting a decimal or a float value, then you're going 64 times 3.14, and you're going to end up with 200.96 approximately, because again, pi can have more digits going on here. And that's the basics of how to find the area of a circle. This is Keith from Kinvert. Hope you found this helpful, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.